Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and that's the Lepy mini amplifier that you have seen before. And this thing was gone, the IC was damaged. So long back I have replaced the main IC with a Class D amplifier kit, and I was using everything in this kit: the bass treble, the controller, input, output, the power supply, and all. Just remove the amplifier IC from there and connected another kit, PAM 8610, and that was working quite good, but with lots of noise was coming from it. So now today I have connected this one. That's a TPA 3116 D2 mini amplifier kit with a heatsink on it, and as I told you, the PAM 86102 channel, that's a 30-watt amplifier. That's the kit. And this one is this TPA 3116 D2 amplifier. This thing is like 60 watt, 30 plus 30 watt per channel, and that's the price. Well, I got this from offline store, and this thing cost me like 220 or something like that. So you'll have to pay 100 more online if you don't get it offline, if you can't get it offline. So that's the kit. This is a very nice kit, but the frequency response of this kit is like not like other kit. I mean, the low frequencies. The high frequency is pretty good on this thing, but the lows are not that great. So if you're making a Class D 5.1 or amplifier, so you can use this kit for the channel speakers, or if you're making 2.1, you can use this kit for the left-right channel and subwoofer for another mono kit like that. So it's connected now. You can see that's speaker connection, left and right, and that's the power supply, VCC and ground, and that's input, left, ground and right. So pretty easy connections, and it's all connected now. The two speakers are right there, right one and the left one, and that's the input and power supply all connected. So I'm going to test it now. Let's see how it works. And you can see that's very loud, the volume is very loud, and I paused it and there's no noise coming from the speakers, no humming noise or hissing noise like that. So this kit is pretty good. You will get crystal clear sound. But the only problem with the frequency, the low frequency, doesn't work well here. So that's it. Here the bus treble is there, so it's working pretty good. Now let's check it out again.
What has ever seen? I feed him every day with the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets caught